Linger. We got a Lingcod out, boys. That ain't a dogfish. Got a little blue ling, small. A little blue ling. Blue Lingcod. Woo-hoo-hoo! Got something though, on a shitty day like this where it's this fucking windy, you don't get too much luck. This turned out not too bad though. Little blue ling, he's got a little blue to him. Just a little guy. Pretty cool. Very small though, just a baby. That was a linger. Holy shit. That's a better fish. Holy shit. It's coming towards me. Fuck. This feels like a bigger fish. Didn't keel. It's got weight to it though. Feels like a dogfish though. Salmon. Fuck. It's a salmon. Holy shit! Salmon in the kayak! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! First salmon in the kayak. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful little fish. Looks like a little coho. He's got white gums. So he's a little coho. You can see he's got the adipose fin, so he's wild, so we gotta release him. So what I'll do. There he goes. Little coho. Can't keep them. Gotta have the hatcheries only. But that's pretty cool. Well, we're repeating that. That was a fucking keeper. That would have been nuts. It's too bad. He was actually a nice little like 5-6 pound fish. That would have been a nice keeper if he'd been a hatchery. He was a wild one, so we put him back. There we go. It's a fish. Shit. Woohoo! Little ling. Look at that. Just a little Lingcod, a little bit. Look at those teeth though.